What you getting, bud? You got your knife? Okay, don't run, don't run, don't run. Walk slow, just in case. Okay, how's Taylor to help you? Careful. Oh boy, that's looking pretty dangerous, bud.
You told everybody it was big.
It's not. Hi.
Oh, it's not? What is that?
Oh boy. Holy cow.
My trucks.
What?
Julian! I bought it!
Whoa!
Holy cow.
What is that?
It's huge!
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Cool.
Tractor! I want tractors! I can't
Oh,
get
that's a big tractor.
Oh, look at this one. Cars! Yeah! I like this! Oh, I want white cars. I want white cars. Ooh,
My goodness.
they want trucks.
They went to the truck factory.
Yeah. And they want them.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, ambulance!
No, it's a fire truck, buddy. It's a fire truck.
Oh yeah, look at this big tractor. This, yeah. They got the dirt and jump it. Then dirt, one hand go out and jump for dirt.
Gonna dig for dirt.
It did not that. Oh, look at that car right there.
Oh.
Ha ha, I like motorcycle.
Wow, a motorcycle.
Whoa.
It's everywhere! Braxton, what do you tell Aunt Michelle and Uncle Jeff?
I will take. Thank you.
Braxton, can you look at the camera? Who gave this? Who gave all those to you? Look at mommy and tell me. Who gave all those to you?
Yeah.
And who else?
And Uncle Jeff.
And who else?
Alex and Brady.
What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Want to
Oh.
do the card?
Yeah.
What is it?
Happy birthday, Dad.
Oh, that's sweet, huh? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
See you for Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Turn around and wave at him. Turn around.